In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own, specifically from Freenom, to your Wix site. This process is essential for personalizing the online presence of your website and ensuring that your visitors see the right domain name when they visit your site. So, let's get started. First, head over to your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the Domain section of your account dashboard. This is where you'll be able to manage any domain-related activities, including connecting existing domains. In this section, you'll want to click on the option that says Add an existing domain. When you do this, you'll be presented with several choices. Choose the option that says Connect a domain you already own. This tells Wix that you're bringing in a domain from another provider. Next, you'll need to decide which Wix site you want to link this domain to. This step is critical because Wix needs to know where to point your domain traffic. Select your desired site from the list and click Continue. Now it's time to enter the domain name you have registered with Freenom. After typing in your Freenom domain name, click Let's Go. At this point, Wix will confirm that you intend to use a domain that you own. You'll see a prompt asking if you own the domain. Click Yes, I own this domain to confirm your ownership and proceed. Having set things up on Wix, it's time to switch over to your Freenom account. Start by logging in to your Freenom account. Once inside, locate the Management section for the specific domain you wish to connect. This area allows you to modify various settings related to your domain. Focus on finding the DNS settings, as this is where the critical adjustments will happen. Here, you need to change the name servers to the ones that Wix has provided. This technique is known as the pointing method, where you connect your domain directly to Wix's servers. Once you've entered the new name servers, ensure you save these changes before leaving the page. At this point, it's important to exercise a bit of patience. DNS changes are not instantaneous and can take some time to propagate across the internet. This process may take anywhere from a few hours up to 48 hours. During this period, your domain may not immediately direct traffic to your Wix site. However, in most cases, it should resolve much sooner. While you wait, it's a good idea to frequently check if your domain starts redirecting visitors to your Wix site. If everything is set up correctly, your site will soon be accessible through your custom domain. There you have it. You've successfully connected your Freenom domain to your Wix site. Following these steps ensures a seamless online experience for your audience. Enjoy your new personalized web presence, and thanks for joining me today.